besties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful, amazing day today. Today we're upstairs casual. We're having a casual day up in my living room. We're gonna open up a Target haul. I have a couple of boxes here, so yeah, a couple of big boxes. And we'll just kind of chat and I'll go through it. A lot of it is either maybe gift sets or advent calendars, or some of it is snackies. Don't laugh, Brian. He can't, I don't think he can hear me. Anyway, some of it is snackies, and I love Halloween. Why do I keep saying Halloween? I love Christmas snacks. That's my favorite time of the year, for peppermint mocha or, you know, eggnog flavored things and all the things. So anyway, I was messing with some Laura Geller makeup today, so if my makeup looks different, that's why. I was just kind of messing around with it. And then I just thought we'd just chit chat and see what I got from Target. Now, I bought all of this at Target online, so I will leave links below for everything. And I got my cozy blanket here, and the cats might be in and out of the video, so you never know. They kind of like to run around up here. Let's just start with something. I'll try and put the price on the screen too, because I have no idea what any of this costs. So as I go through and link them, I'll try and put the price up on the screen. But I got this for Brian. It's a exfoliating bath sponge, so I got it for him in this green color, and it says gentle exfoliation. And I'm sorry about my nails. I took my nails off today, because he has some of that, what's that, Squatch soap, so I thought he could use another bath scrunchie, so I got that. Starting off strong, you guys. Starting off strong. Okay, then I got... They actually had this from Dossier on the website for Target. It's a Dossier Fragrance Wonderland. So, yeah. You get ambery cherry, ambery saffron, ambery vanilla, floral marshmallow, which is, you know, a favorite of mine. Free the musk, gourmand vanilla, gourmand white flowers, milky white, orchid and sandalwood at dusk, tantalizing red, winter kiss, and woody sandalwood. So it's like a little kit that you can try. This is also on their website, I think. Let's see if I can figure out how to get it out of here. There's like a little pull here, but oh, there's a piece of tape here. Sorry if you can hear my stomach. We haven't ate dinner yet. So you pull it out, and then it looks like this. It is like a little advent calendar, so you punch open each one of these. So that's kind of cool. I like that. So yeah, it's called the Fragrance Wonderland. So let's see about what size these are. I'll punch open one of them. And okay, so they're this size. They're like a purse size, which is really nice, actually. I love this size, so I'm not mad at that. So they're all this size, and they have the, you know, the top like this. So yeah, I like that. Cool. So yeah, this is what it looks like on the inside. So yeah, you get all of those. And like I said, I'm pretty sure that this is on the Dossier website too. So I don't know if you can get it cheaper there. You might be able to, because they're having so many, you know, holiday sales. So yeah, check that out over there. Let me grab this. I got this Vaseline Sugar Cookie vitamin E limited edition lip therapy. This is what it looks like. I'm probably gonna put that maybe in someone's gift for work or whatever, and I apologize for the lighting. I added an extra light here because it's so dark in the living room. But so yeah, I thought that was nice. Sugar cookie flavored. Absolutely. Okay, then I got this set. It's the HEMPZ Sugar and Spice gift set. Looks like this. So you get all 4 of these. You get pink peppermint meringue, which sounds lovely, sweet berry macaron, vanilla sugar cookie, and baked gingerbread. So I think I'm going to take these out of here and split it up into like 4 different gifts. And if you can hear Kermit, he's got the zoomies. He's over there playing, so he's acting up. So yeah, you get all 4 of those. So yeah, cool set. Love that. Love it. I might keep one for myself. Maybe I'll keep the gingerbread for myself, because I like gingerbread scented things. Okay, then I got this Emco Beauty Advent Calendar. It's got 12 mini icons, collectible beauty surprises. So we will be opening these on my Sunday video, and then I may keep them just to like do a gift, you know, like a Christmas gift at the end. Like maybe I'll make up a couple different bags of like all these kind of things. So this is the MCO Beauty one. There's some mascara in here, some bronzing drops, lip liner, all kind of different things. So we will open this up probably on Sunday. If you guys come back on Sunday, I'll go live and we will open up some Christmas cards and some advent calendars. So yeah, but this is what the inside looks like. Look how cute it is. Oh my gosh, I love that. Really cute. Nice. Very nice. Very pretty. So yeah, we will be opening some of that on Sunday. So come back for that. And then I got this e.l.f. gift set, and I love these Glow Reviver plumping lip oils. They are so good. And if I'm correct, and I maybe I'm not, but I'm thinking that one or two of these are colors that are limited edition or that they haven't put out yet, maybe. Does it say what colors are in here? I don't know. We will look at those closer, maybe on Sunday. Oh, wait, here they are. No? Yeah. Heavy Petal, Talk That Taupe, Ultraviolet, and Burst Bubble. So that's what they look like. I love these. These are so nice, you guys. I love those. So yeah, I think I'm going to be breaking a lot of these up to put into like different gift sets. So, all right. Then I got, this is huge. It's the Dove Gingerbread Delight Body Scrub. It's limited edition. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It smells so good, you guys. It smells so good. Oh, I love that. I love that. So yeah, Gingerbread Delight. I love the packaging. Holiday Treats, limited edition. The scent of gingerbread cookies, fresh out of the oven. Love that. Love that. I feel like I got the soap too. Yeah, I think this is the soap. So then I got, I think on Target Online, if you bought like so many like bath and body items, you got like 20% off or something like that. I don't know. But you get 4 bars of this Gingerbread Delight body soap, which is really nice. Limited edition beauty bars. So yeah, like I said, I might break these up, you guys, and do a giveaway on some of this stuff at the you know, around Christmas. So stay tuned for that. And then I also got the Gingerbread Delight deodorant. I couldn't think of the word. So yeah, that's what it looks like. The Gingerbread Delight deodorant. Limited edition, antiperspirant. So yeah, I'm gonna smell like a gingerbread. Okay, then I got, this is for Brian, or maybe if he don't like the scent, I might use it. But it's a Dove Men's Care Cabin Retreat. There's a face and body wash, a deodorant, and a charcoal face and body scrub. So this is what the set looks like. And it's limited edition. It says citrus, vanilla, and musk. So I think that would be like unisex. I think anyone could use that. So I hate to open it, but I kind of want to smell it. I'll tape it back up, but let me smell it. So this is what the bottle looks like. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, shoot. Went right up my nose. It's definitely musky, but it smells good. Definitely citrusy too. All right, so that is that set, and you definitely can smell the citrus in that for sure. Love that set. And then I got this set as well, and I thought, well, Brian doesn't like any of these. I probably will. So you get, this is an Old Spice set, and I don't mind wearing like men's deodorant or body spray, but you get the Old Spice Cranberry Paradise in a body wash and a deodorant, and you also get a Peppermint Slopes. So one of them smells like Mary, Cranberry, and Holly, which that's kind of womanly, right? And then the Peppermint Slopes is Chilled Peppermint and Glacier. So I thought that was a really nice set, and they're full size items on that. Okay, then I got this, where is this even from? This is huge. La Roche-Posay. This is the La Roche-Posay 12 days advent calendar, I think. So we will be opening a day or two of that on my next live, which will be tomorrow. So you have like all of these in here. It tells you what's in here. It's all skincare. So yeah, and I really like La Roche-Posay. So yeah, there's like bronzing drops in here, cleansing balm, all kinds of things. So, but the thing, you know what? It's not all La Roche-Posay. I think it's just Target brand. I think it's just Target's 12 Days of Skincare Advent. It says it's valued over $59. So we will be opening that up and checking out that. And then I also got this Chapstick Advent calendar. And it has some limited edition lip balms in it. There is candy cane, hot chocolate, holiday nog, gingerbread. Then you get the classic original strawberry cherry spearmint. So we'll see what we get each day. So yeah, I thought that's kind of nice. The Cozy Countdown Chapstick Advent Calendar. That's pretty cool. And then I got this set. Wow, I got a lot of gift sets, you guys. I got this set. It's like the very best of vanilla scents. Best of Vanilla Discovery Set. So there's just a bunch of vanilla scented things in here, valued over $50. You get some pink, there's like lip butters, there's all kinds of things in here. So again, we'll probably go over this on my tomorrow video, but here's like an Emco Beauty, what is this? Black Plum and Vanilla Fragrance Roll-On. Ooh, that sounds nice. And then you get, ooh, this is my favorite, the Vanilla Cashmere EOS. It smells so good. And then you get this little, well, the lid fell off, but it's the Mix Bar Vanilla Bourbon Body Spray. Then you get this Good Chemistry Not That Vanilla Body Mist. You get that. You also get the Fresh Kiss Glossy Lip Balm. You get a vanilla lip mask. So this is a really cool set. And then you get this huge Days Vanilla Whip Foaming Body Wash. And you also get this little item here. The Vitamasks Pink Vanilla Lip Treatment. So you get all this. And like I said, I'll make sure to put the prices up on the screen, but I love the scent of vanilla. So, but again, I might break some of these up and do like a giveaway with them. So I just thought that was a really nice set, and everybody likes vanilla scents. You know what I mean? So love that. And then I got a Lip Smacker Advent Calendar. And yeah, there's 4 lip balms in here, 2 hair accessories, 4 lip shines, and 2 ring accessories. So we'll be opening some of that tomorrow. So come back tomorrow for my live and we'll open some of that. And then I got Brian a Everyman Jack antiperspirant. I love these. This is the scent Citrus and Sea Salt. So that's what it looks like. And let's smell it. If I can roll it up. Can you guys hear the cats playing? It's just a really fresh scent. That's what it looks like. There they go. There they go. Kermit has the zoomies. Okay, then I got for work, I got these Peppermint Mocha Starbucks K-Cups to take to work. So I'm going to take those to work with me. And then I got some CoffeMate French Vanilla Creamer. Thought I'd try this. You guys, the cats are running around like crazy. I'm so sorry. And then I found these. I can't wait to try these. They're gingerbread cheesecake cookies. Oh my gosh. Favorite day gingerbread cheesecake sandwich cookies. Oh my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. Then I got a just CoffeMate regular to take to work. This is the big one. I think they were having a sale on stuff like in the coffee section. Like if you bought, you know, $10 worth or $20 worth, you got, you know, percentage off. So I ordered some coffee things. Then I got this Starbucks Flavor Favorites. It's got caramel vanilla mocha and maple pecan. And let's see, there is 42 in here. So grab those. So yeah, grab those. And I got these Favorite Day Candy Cane Crunch Mint Sandwich Cookies. Oh my gosh. Wouldn't these be cute on like a tray with other cookies? Like, how cute are they? They're so cute. They're like white with candy cane bits. Cute. Also grabbed these. I'm like, yes, I have to have these. They're the Snoopy limited edition Goldfish and Peppermint Cocoa. Look at that. Oh my gosh, those look so good. Peppermint Cocoa is positively delicious. Yeah, these are limited edition. They look good. So yeah, I love peppermint mocha, so can't wait to try those. And then I also got the Starbucks Crema collection in salted caramel. I love to put this actually in coffee instead of like hot water. Just put this down into some coffee. So maybe we'll have some of that tomorrow night. And then I got some of these Linzer Raspberry Pepperidge Farm. I think Pepperidge Farm was having a sale too on Target.com, where if you bought like four of these, you got a percentage off or whatnot. So I grabbed some of those. And then I also got these Pepperidge Farm Milano peppermint slices. I think I think I have a theme going here, right? So there's those. And then last but certainly not least, I think, let me look at my box. I got these Candy Cane Kisses, the mint candy with stripes, and these sound delicious. These are actually really good in cookies. If you make just some some just sugar cookies and then put these down on the inside, they're so good. So you get, I don't know how many are in here. I have no idea. It's 6 ounces. There's 7 servings, 6 pieces, so 42 pieces in there. Love those. And obviously, I have like a little theme going here with the peppermint. But so yeah, that is what I got from my Target haul. So yeah, we'll be opening up some of these gift sets and seeing what's in them. And then I think I might do a giveaway, you know, once I get them all opened up towards the end of the year, and maybe, or not the end of the year, the end of December. Well, I guess it would be the end of the year. Yeah. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.